2 years ago, November 2020, Apple's drive for power-efficient performance led to the development of the advanced SoC M1 chip. After 2 years, Apple is now ready to present the second generation of the M series, the new M2. Developed around the second-generation 5nm architecture as the M1, M2 packs 20 billion transistors, which adds 25% more transistors than M1. The new M2 processor comes with 24 GB of unified memory with a 128-bit wide LPDDR5 interface and 100 GB per second of memory bandwidth, outclassing M1 in memory bandwidth by 50%. The new M2 chip wraps 8 processing cores, 4 cores built for higher performance, and 4 cores built for high power efficiency. The high-performance cores, built using ultra-wide microarchitecture, come with 192 KB of instruction cache, 128 KB of data cache, and 16 MB of shared cache, pushing the performance of the M2 chip well above M1. The 4 high-power efficient cores, built with wide microarchitecture, contain 128 KB of instruction cache combined with 64 KB of data cache, alongside with 4 MB of shared cache. Combining 4 high-performance and 4 power-efficient cores, the M2 chip packs 18% more multi-core performance than the M1 chip, also delivering 1.9 times more performance than the 10-core PC laptop with only a quarter of the power. Improved graphic processing unit, combined with an increased L2 cache, now exerts 3.6 teraflops of raw processing power, along with the capability of processing 111 gigatexels and 55 gigapixels per second. Improved M2 GPU leads the M1 chip's max graphic processing performance with 25% more GPU performance at the same power level, and expands to a margin of 35% in peak performance. Integrated with a new media engine, M2 chip is capable of encoding and decoding H.264 and HEVC up to 8K resolution. In parallel, the added ProRes media engine now supports the hardware-accelerated encoding and decoding for improved performance than M1. Located near the media engine is the improved neural engine, which now drives 15.8 trillion operations per second, leading the M1 chip's neural engine with 40% higher performance. Powered by the new M2 chip, MacBook Air has evolved into an improved version to best handle the performance and capabilities of the new system. Wrapped in an all-aluminum unibody enclosure, the new MacBook Air M2 shows a 20% reduction in volume due to M2's power-efficient design. With a total thickness of 11.3 millimeters, it weighs around approximately 1.2 kilograms. The new MacBook Air also revives the MagSafe for dedicated charging and safety. Illuminated with a 13.6-inch liquid retina display, the new MacBook Air M2 emits 1 billion colors and enhances the quality of the visuals. An array of 3 microphones fixed between the keyboard and the display captures cleaner audio using advanced beamforming algorithms. Equipped with 4 speakers, the new MacBook Air sound system produces stereo separation and vocal clarity, while also supporting the spatial audio with Dolby Atmos. Powered by M2, the new MacBook Air improves the performance of programs like Photoshop by 20% than previous MacBook Air, while also increasing video editing performance by 38% than previous MacBook Air. Supported by the new M2 chip's image signal processor, MacBook Air M2 now enhances the video quality of the built-in 1080p HD FaceTime camera than the previous MacBook Air. Backed by M2 chip's power efficiency, the new MacBook Air packs 18 hours of a battery life capable of fast charging up to 50% within 30 minutes. Keeping the direction straight at the goal, Apple was able to bring the power-efficient performance to the market once again. According to the news, Apple will be releasing the new improvements in July 2022. Among the latest technology breakthroughs, a supercomputer surfaced with performance of 1 quintillion calculations per second. As the news states, it bears a quarter of the total processing power of the top 500 supercomputers located around the globe. For more information, click on the video on the screen.